Good evening, my dear friends. So, in continuation to the videos which I have brought, in which I solved various exercises related to this IGCSE board from chapter 1 number. Today we will be solving exercise 5, and in this we are going to utilize bid mass rule. Okay, so first of all I want to thank all my well-wishers, all my students for their valuable comments, for their encouragement and motivation, which has made me to bring more and more videos for the benefit of my students. Okay, so let us go for solving the questions. Now, earlier we were solving questions in which only two fractions were given, and between two fractions we were going for multiplication, we were going for division, or we were going for addition and subtraction. But now more numbers will be there, more fractions will be there, more than 2 and more than 3, and we need to do plus also, we need to do minus also, we need to subtract, we need to add, we need to multiply, we need to divide. Everything will come in the same place. Even indices also will be coming in the same place. So we will be having a long algebraic expression. Okay, so what we can say, we will be having algebraic expression. Okay, so we are having algebraic expression or mathematical expression. Mathematical expressions and which will be consisting of addition also, which will be consisting of subtraction also, which will be consisting of division also, and which will be consisting of multiplication also, and it will consist of even brackets also, and it will be consisting of even indices also. Okay, so when an expression which consists of all these operators simultaneously, and we need to solve the expression, we need to simplify the expression, we follow bid mass rule. Bid mass rule. So bid mass, B for bracket, I for indices. Like here we are having indices. Okay, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So this particular rule, we need to apply. So bid mass means it is arranged in the order of its preference, its utilization. If in an expression we do have bracket, then we need to solve that bracket first. If we are having, then if bracket is not there, indices we are having, we need to solve indices, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So we need to follow this rule. So this exercise 5 and 5 star, we will be utilizing this bid mass rule extensively, and we will go for solving the given expressions. Okay, right. Now I will write here that bid mass at the top, and we will solve now all the questions. So let us solve question number 1. Question number 1, we are given 12 plus 4 into 2. Now as per this bid mass rule, we do not have bracket, we do not have indices, we do not have division in this expression, we do have multiplication. So this multiplication part 4 into 2 we need to solve first. So it means it will become 12 plus 4 into 2 will become 8, and then after multiplication addition is there, so we need to add and it will become 20. So in this way we need to give preference to the operator as per the rule of bid mass. Rule of bid mass. During our time we studied baud mass, and baud mass also that will be there. This O, actually O is for off, and off also actually it is multiplication only. Off also it is multiplication only. Later on we'll see those things, right? Second is given like 12 plus 4 in bracket into 2. So now this bracket we need to solve first as per bid mass rule. So 12 plus 4 will give us as 16 into 2, and it will become 32. Similarly, question number 3, when we are solving, so it will become 11 minus 3 square. Now 11 will be as it is. First we need to solve this indices. Okay, so 3 square is 3 into 3, which will become 9, and our answer will become 2. Okay, let us solve next question. Okay, the same bid mass rule I will be writing. Bid mass rule, same. Now question number 4. Question number 4 will be 12 minus 2 square into 3. So 12 minus 2 square. Okay, so this is indices. So this indices part we need to solve first. So 2 square will become 4 into 3. Then again further we need to solve this multiplication part. So it will become 12 minus 12, and we will be getting our answer as 0. Right. Then question number 5. It is 8 minus 3 into 2 whole square. In this case, this bracket is there, so that bracket we have to solve first, not this indices. After solving this bracket only, we will be going for solving indices. So inside the bracket, again we need to give preference as per this bid mass rule. So this multiplication part will get preference. So 3 into 2 will become 6 inside, and this square will be as it is, and it will be 8 minus 6. Sorry, no need to write 8. Okay, we can write 8 minus 6 as 2 and whole square. So now indices will be given preference. So it will become 2 into 2, and it will be equal to 4. Even there is no need to write even bracket also. Okay, there is no need to write even bracket. We can write simply 2 square, and it will become 4. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6. So 5 plus 5 into 2 whole square divided by 5. Okay. Right. Now in this case, what we need to do, 5 plus, so bracket part we need to solve first. So 5 into 2 will give us as 10 square divided by 5. Right. Now further 5 plus, so this 10 square will become 100, because we have to give preference to indices. So 10 square is 100 divided by 5. Then further 5 plus 100, and this division we will convert it into decimal, and 5 will become its reciprocal 1 by 5. So 520, we can cancel it. So it will become 5 plus 20, and we have got the answer as 25. Right? Okay. Let us solve question number 7. Again I will write at the top bid mass, just to make you to remember which has to be given preference first. So the question given is 3 plus 2 divided by 7 minus 9, which is in bracket, into again bracket 5 into 2 minus 6. Now 3 plus 2 divided by, so bracket part we need to solve first. So it will become minus 2. Remember, 7 minus 9 will become minus 2 because minus 9 is bigger. Its sign is minus. So it will become minus 2, not 2. We may commit mistake. Okay. So 2 divided by, in bracket 7 minus 9, this 7 minus 9 has given us as minus 2. So we need to take extra care here, into inside 5 into 2. So 5 into 2 has become 10 minus 6. Okay. Further we will write 3 plus 2 divided by minus 2 into 10 minus 6 is giving us as 4. Okay. Right. Further, so 3 plus 2 into, now division has to be given preference. Okay. And this minus 2 will become 1 by minus 2 and into 4 here. Right? Okay. Now this 2 and this 2 has got cancelled. Left with minus is still there. So it will become what? 3 and this minus, and here 4 is there. So 4 divided by minus 1. It is similar to what? 4 divided by minus 1. So it is 4 divided by minus 1. And further we can write as 3 minus 4 we have to write. And our answer will become minus 1. So do not forget to put minus here. Okay. Otherwise our answer will become wrong. Right. So this was question number 7. Now question number 8 we are going to solve. So it is 4 plus 4 square divided by 6 divided by 3 into 2. Now here division part is there. We do have numerator and denominator. So numerator part we will be solving utilizing this BIDMAS rule. Denominator part we will be solving utilizing this BIDMAS rule. And then we will have numerator and denominator, and then we will see whether common terms are there that we can cancel or not. Okay. So right. So first we will go for the numerator part. So numerator part we do have 4 plus indices we need to solve it. So 4 square will become 16. And in denominator we do have division first. So we will make it as 6 into 1 by 3 into 2. So this 3 2 just 6 we can cancel. So here in numerator part we have got 20 divided by, and here we have got 2 into 2. This 2 and this 2 is left. So 2 into 2 has become 4, and then we will cancel it with common terms, and then our answer will become 5. Okay. Right. Now in question number 9, we need to put bracket, insert bracket. So expression is given like this: 4 into 5 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. Now our answer is given as 10. We need to put bracket in such a way that we are getting 10 here. Okay. So then how we will be doing? So if we will see carefully, so what we can do, 4 into, in bracket if we are writing as 5 minus 3 plus 2, then see how we are solving. So it will become 4 into, so bracket part we need to solve first, this one. So 5 minus 3 is giving us as 2 plus 2. Again multiplication part we will be solving first. So 4 into 2 will become 8 plus 2 is giving us as 10, and this is the only answer what we need to get. It means our expression, this 4 into 5 which is given minus 3 plus 2, it means we need to put bracket here in 5 minus 3, enclosing 5 minus 3. So that is the question, we need to put bracket. Now in question number 10, we need to put bracket also, we need to put symbols also. And which are the symbols we do have? Symbols are, we are having Bracket means we need to put this bracket. Symbols, we can put plus, we can put minus, we can put multiplication, we can put division. These are the four symbols we can utilize it. Okay, simultaneously we need to use bracket also. In the previous question, we were asked to use only bracket, but here we need to use symbols also. So 7, 5, 3 is given and the answer will become as 6. Okay, answer will become as 6. Right, so what we can do here? So we can utilize like this 7 minus 5, okay, into 3 if we are writing, then 7 minus 5 is giving us as 2 into 3 and the answer will become 6, and this answer is same to same. Okay. So we have used the symbol of multiplication. We have used bracket also simultaneously. Used bracket also simultaneously. Okay, right. Now coming to exercise 5 star, also we will be solving the same way which we have utilized in exercise 5. What we have to use? We have to use BIDMAS. Don't forget. So we have to use BIDMAS. Okay, right. Let us solve question number 1 here. So we are given 4 plus 6 into 2 square plus 5 divided by 3 minus 10. Okay, then what we will be doing? 4 plus 6 into bracket part we need to solve first. In bracket indices are there. So this 2 square will become 4 plus 5. Then divided by 3 is there. Then minus 10 is there. Okay. Right. Then it will become 4 plus 6 into, now this bracket part. So 4 plus 5, it is 9. Okay. Then divided by 3, minus 10 is there. Okay, then 4 plus 6 into 9, this division we will be converting into multiplication, and 3 will become 1 by 3 and then minus 10. Okay, right. Then we will be solving here. So this 3 we can utilize it to cancel 9 as 3. So now we have got 4 plus this 6 into 3 into 1. So it is giving us as 18 minus 10, and this will be giving us as 18 plus 4, 22 minus 10, and this answer will become how much? So 12. 12 will be the answer for this question number 1. Okay, right. Now we will put one single line here, and here we are going to put question number 2. So question number 2 is 2 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 3 in bracket. Okay, so 8 minus 3 into 2 plus 8. Right, utilizing BIDMAS rule. Several times I will not tell, and now I will keep quiet and I will just solve the question, and you need to observe, you need to apply whatever rules we have discussed. So in bracket what it is there? 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 will become 5 into 2 plus 8. Then again further 2 minus 5. This will become into, and 5 will become 1 by 5 into 2 plus 8. So this 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Now left with 2, and here what it is there? 5 has got cancelled. 1 into 2. So 2 minus 2 plus 8. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and our answer will become 8. Okay, right. Now question number 3. Question number 3. So we are given 125 divided by 7 into 4 minus 23 square divided by 5. This will be 125 divided by, so bracket part we need to solve it first. So 7 4 ja 28 minus 23 square divided by 5. Then further 125 divided by 28 minus 23 is what? 5 square. So 5 square divided by 5. Further 125 divided by 5 square is what? 25 divided by 5. Okay. So in this, 2 division is there, right? All division we will be cancelling. So 125, then this division will be converting into multiplication, and this 25 will become 1 by 25. Again division is there, we will make it as 1 by 5. Okay, right. Now this 25 will cancel this 125 as 5, and this 5 and 5 will get cancelled, and our answer will become 1. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Okay, now question number 4. So I will be solving here question number 4. So 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 10 into 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. This will be giving to us as 3 by 4. Okay, so division part we need to do first. So 3 by 4 into, so it will become 10 by 9, right? Then again into 4 by 5 will be as it is. Then again into, it is 3 by 2. Okay, right. Now this 4 will get cancelled. This 3 will be cancelling this 9 as 3. Now this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. This 5 will cancel this 10 as 2, and this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, and our answer will become 1. Okay, right. Now question number 5. So it is 1 plus 10 divided by 5 into 11 minus 3 square divided by 3. Okay, right. So again further 1 plus 10 divided by 5 into 11, indices is there, so this 3 square will become 9 divided by 3, and then again 1 plus 10. Now division part we will be solving. So 10 into 1 by 5 into 11 minus 9 into 1 by 3. Okay, so this division has got converted into multiplication, and the following number has become its reciprocal. Okay, now we will cancel the common terms. So 3 ja 9, 5 2 ja 10. So here we have got 1 plus, now what we have got, 2 into 11, so it is 22. Okay, minus 3 into 1 as 3. So we have got 22 plus 1 23 minus 3, and our answer has become 20. Okay, right. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is 3 into 4 divided by 2 square plus 3 in under bracket. Then again bracket starts 6 divided by 3 into 5 minus 5 into 2 plus 1 bracket close minus 5. Okay, then inside the bracket 3 into 4 divided by 2 square will become 4, right, plus 3 into, then here in this we are having division first, so 6 into 1 by 3 into 5, okay, and then minus 5 into 2 plus 1 minus 5, right. Then here it will become 3 into 4 into 1 by 4 plus 3 into, so here we can cancel this one, 3 to just 6, right, and here it will become 5 into 2, so it has become 10, minus here it has become 5 into 2, so 10 minus 10 plus 1 minus 5, okay. Now here this 4 and this 4 we can cancel, and it will become 3 into 1 as 3 plus 3, okay, into this 10 minus 10 will get cancelled, it will become 0 and plus 1, so into 1 here in bracket it is there and minus 5, right, okay. So 3 plus 3 will become 6 into 1 minus 5, and it is giving to us as 6 minus 5, which will be equal to 1, okay. So the answer will become 1 here, okay. Now question number 7. So 1 plus 4 into 2 divided by 6 minus 1 into 2 divided by, in between, 12 divided by 2 square by 8 divided by 2 into 2. Now in this case, numerator, this side we will solve numerator denominator, this side we will solve numerator denominator separately as I told you earlier. So 1 plus 4 into 2, so 1 plus 4 into 2 has become 8, and in denominator 6 minus 1 into 2 has become 2, in between divided by is there, and 12, and indices need to be solved first, so 2 square will become 4, and 8, here it has become 8 into 1 by 2 into 2, okay, right. So this will cancel, 2 4 ja 8, right. So here it has become 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 6 minus 2 has become 4, divided by 12 divided by 4, it means 12 into 1 by 4 divided by 4 into 2, 8, in denominator we do have 8 with us, okay. This 4 will cancel this 12 as 3. So now we have got 9 by 4 divided by 3 by 8. Further, 9 by 4 into 8 by 3. This 4 will cancel, 2 za, and this 3 za. We have got 3 into 2, and our answer will become 6. Okay? Right. Now question number 8. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 10, okay, divided by 1 plus 5 into 3 by 5 minus 6 by 7 divided by 3 by 7, okay, right. I will be needing little bit more space, okay. So better I will erase that question number 7 also, right, so that we will be getting more space here, right. So question number 8, 2 into, sorry, 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 10 divided by 1 plus 5 into 3 by 5 minus 6 by 7 divided by 3 by 7. Now, so 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, this division we will be converting into and it will become 10 by 9 divided by 1 plus 5 into 3 by 5 minus 6 by 7. This division we will convert it into multiplication and following number will become its reciprocal, so 7 by 3. Now we can see that which are the things we can cancel. We can cancel this 2, 2 ja 4, right? We can cancel with this 3, 3 ja 9. We can cancel this with 2, 2 ja 4 and 2, 5 ja 10. Okay. Here we can cancel this 5 and 5 we can cancel. Here we can cancel this 7 and 7. Here we can cancel 3, 2 ja 6. See how much easy it becomes. Now here in the numerator part what we have got 1 by 6 plus here in denominator part, further in numerator part we have got 5 by 6 divided by here 1 plus 3 and then minus here we have got as 2. Okay. Now in numerator part we have got 5 plus 1 6 by 6. So 6 by 6 it will be cancelling with 1. Okay, divided by 3 plus 1 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2. So our answer will become 1 by 2. Okay. Right. Now coming to this question. Okay, we need to put bracket. 8 minus 2 plus 1 into 5 minus 3, and we need to put bracket in such a way that after solving the expression we should get our answer as 2. Okay, we should get our answer as 2, right? Correct. So now little bit we need to think that how we should put bracket. So like this we can put 8 minus, can be placed as 2 plus 1 in bracket, okay, into, further we can put a bracket as 5 minus 3. So if we are doing this, we will get 8 minus, inside the bracket what we are getting? We are getting 3 into, inside the bracket what we are getting? 5 minus 3 as 2, and it will become 8 minus 6 and our answer will become 2. So the same thing what we need to get it. So we need to put the bracket in this fashion. Okay. So the answer will become 8 minus 2 plus 1 into again 5 minus 3. So this will be our expression after putting bracket. Okay. Question number 10. Now okay, so 8, 6, 2, 4, this number is given. Answer should become as 5. Now insert brackets and symbols both. So we need to put bracket and symbol both, and our expression should get means our answer we should get after solving that expression as 5. Okay, so what we can do, let us have a check that where we need to put bracket and what we need to do it, where we can put it symbols. So symbols are, possible symbols are plus, minus, division, multiplication, and we have to use bracket. we have to use bracket. Okay. So if we are going for uh, right, we can do it as 8 minus 6 and into 2 bracket divided by 4. If we are thinking in this way, then if we are solving, what we are getting, 8 minus 6 into bracket part we will be solving first. So it will be giving 2 into 1 by 4. So we can cancel this 2 by 2. Okay. So now we have got 8 minus 6 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2, and further if we have cancelled, we have got 3, and we got 8 minus 3, which will be equal to 5, and the same 5 we need to find out. Okay, so we will be putting expression, you can say minus here. Okay, and here you need to put into, here you need to put bracket, and here you need to put division. Okay, so in this way, if we are doing, we will be getting answer. So we need to put bracket and symbol. So you need to, you can say, adopt that trial and error method. Okay, immediately sometimes you may not get. You will say that, sir, how exactly you have put? So you have to think little bit. You have to go for some trial and error method. 2-3 times you need to try. So this possibility is there. Okay, so in some mind also you can have some calculations and all, and then you can put the decimal. So not decimal, you can put the symbols and brackets also. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. So thank you very much for joining me for these classes, and your feedbacks, your motivation, encouragement, your comments are always encouraging me. So thank you very much. Okay, right, fine, we will meet very soon.